I'm with Mr. Evo Mob, Evo 9. We're going out for a POV spinning it. Watch this one, yeah? Because we're going to take it in the B-road. And I'll be honest with you, I've already went for spinning it. And I love this car to bits. So this Evo 9 has been fully built with forged piston rods by Dynotech running 500 brake horsepower with a tubular manifold connected with a stock Evo 9 turbo but with a bigger compressor wheel. You might ask, why would he forge the engine but keep a stock turbo? Well, we find out in this vid. And the Evo has a 3-inch stainless steel straight through exhaust and it's one of the best sounding dump valves on the Evo.
Splitter, spoiler, had all the oils changed on it. Just a bonus really.
Yeah,
I was searching for one for like 2 years.
Wow, you kept your seats super clean as well.
I drive it quite hard, but
yeah,
I take good care of it.
All the OEM Japanese stickers.
Yeah, it's because everything's been done once, isn't it? It's got a built box, the engine's forged, the diff at some point has been rebuilt because it looks all fresh. Other than that, there's not many other problems these cars give you. A hybrid turbo.
Evo 9 turbo?
Yeah, so it's an Evo 9 turbo, but it's got a bigger compressor wheel.
Yeah, so it spools up faster.
To give it that more power in it. The standard Evo 9 turbo won't make the power. The engine got built here by Dynotech. They built it, mapped it.
Last week, who mapped it?
Liebherr. Liebherr mapped the car now.
How did it feel for you from when it was from now?
Big difference, man.
Big difference,
yeah. Before and after, big difference. It feels good to drive. When you want it to be aggressive,
yeah.
The power's there. That's why I didn't put no silly mods on it. You see some Evos, they got silly mods on them and they're running. Some of them are actually running a lot of power, but because they got a lot of lag, you can't actually use all the power through bends, through corners, through roundabouts. I think this is like this. Anything more than this, that's when you're gonna start.
It gripped every single gear, but when you wanted it to like slide,
that's the tyres. It's got Yokohama 808 RS tyres. A little bit of wheel spin here and there.
Yeah.
So you won't kill the diff. If it's that hot dry day and you R888s or something, and it hooks up off launch, you might not get that wheel spin. You might blow the diff. I'll launch the life out of this car. You know what I mean?
What exhaust?
A full titanium system on it.
The manifold.
It's a JMF tubular manifold. I noticed that the car started to come on boost a little bit earlier when I put that on.
Is it because it's bigger? Because more airflow?
More airflows, so it spools up quicker.
Graffiti sound, all the turbo, the dump valve and everything. Easy one.
Clutch is quite hot.
It is, isn't it?
You've done that quite well for the first time. Some people stole it, man.
Yeah. Wow, that feels proper short, that is. What colour was it?
PCs.
It's very comfortable, man. Yeah. Grab me in it, that is. Ah, it's nice, that
See, already it starts coming on boost.
Jeez, I'm short shifting.
You see what I mean now?
It's fast, man.
That's what I'm saying. You could use all the power. By the time they've come on boost, they've already gone through a couple of gears. You know what I mean? It pulls like this to about 150, 160. Keeps pulling, you know.
Might give it a bit. Lose traction. Wow, it's almost too quick, man. I'll be honest with you.
Because here seems a bit drier, isn't it?
I'll be honest with you, I don't know how you drive it so quick, bro. Okay, man. I'm not gonna lie, but that is scary, bro.
Feel it so you know, innit? Bro, they're like big power cars. Sometimes you can't put all the power down. All the power, you can put it down. You can put it down through a corner, through a roundabout.
It's so much power, yeah. It's enough for you to even like spin it out if you want to.
Yeah, you can slide it out. The car can go sideways, but with control.
Yeah. Not just confidence.
I like this setup. It's 500 brake, but there's no lag.
Yeah. It couldn't happen quick, bro.
Yeah. Use all the power.
Yeah. Is it 6-speed or 5-speed?
5-speed.
Much stronger, they say, don't they?
Yeah. 6-speed's a good gearbox, but you can't take big power. It's only going to last you so long. Upgraded clutch. It's got an ACT clutching, a hybrid turbo, got a 272 cam. 7 years.
Man.
These are important, man, in the Evo.
Yeah.
So you can keep an eye on everything, innit? So you know what I mean?
That's mad. This is almost too quick for the road.
It's just the right balance, man, because anything more than this,
Yeah.
it's just going to be stupid.
I've been in high horsepower cars, but I don't even feel it. This is like, I feel everything.
Yeah, you can put it down better.
This is so fast, bro. Shockingly fast. Real fast, bro. Sounds so good as well,
Sounds
man.
alright, innit?
Yeah, man, you don't need no props.
It's alright, innit?
Driver, bro. Telling you straight, yeah, this Evo is mad, man. I ain't seen the Evo slide like that, man. I'm beyond gas, man.
Just wheel spinning.
See, it's spinning from the back.
It's fun, yeah.
Like I said, man, you make it look easy, man. Do you want something?
Yeah, the trick is these, you gotta change gear quick.
Oh yeah, because I
Change
didn't
it
want to.
quick.
Yeah, you gotta do it quick.
Hold on to the power.
Yeah.
I used to change gear slowly as well. You know, sometimes when you're pushing the car to the limit,
Yeah.
you think it's a limit, and next man jumps in and makes you realise that he was only tickling the car, man.
No.
Yeah.
MashaAllah, I think this will get 11 seconds, 10 seconds all day.
Yeah, I've done a late 11.
Tapping out.
I was gonna do it like sideways to here then.
I'm tapping out before you do that. Before the bend, you're already like, it's going there fast, man.
When you go into a bend, go a little bit, you'll feel it.
Yeah.
When you're going way too fast, you go a little bit, and then you just opposite lock it and it'll just slide through it. It's crazy. You have to experience it.
Nah, you've done that.
I've done it so many times.
Your head rings a bit. That's how I feel right now, like how fast it is, bro. No gas, man. I'm straight up, bro.
Remember I was telling you before,
Yeah.
Evos are different, bro. They're different to every other car.
Yeah.
You got the control, you got the handling, the sharpness, little input, yeah. The car starts, you know what I mean?
Yeah. And it doesn't like pull back, like flick or snap. It tells you the more gas you want to do, the more it feels like it's gonna go that direction.
You know, sometimes you get a very low profile tyre.
Yeah.
You feel the jumps more. This has got fatter tyres and it bit of leeway in the tyres as well as the car starts to sink into
So it goes a bit.
A lot of people, they don't check, especially if you're going fast in your car all the time. Your wheel nuts, everything can be perfect. That wheel comes off, bro.
So hope you guys enjoyed that. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Is this going to be Evo content for the next couple of videos? May the Almighty bless each and every one of you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.